my first time to attend such event like this. Attending other seminars also, but this has been very personal to me because I was able to be refreshed with the personalities that I used to have, but now it's Christ-centered. Tulad ko ulit yung mga emotions natin ay valid, true sila, tama sila, pero the way we approach it, doon tayo magkakaroon ng kaso, good or bad ba yung reaction natin towards our emotions. Yung emotion wheel, ang dami kong nakita na words para sa akin na na-articulate pala dapat ang mga emotions, na meron magkakaroon ka ng self-awareness sa mga emotions mo. Importante yun kasi pag hindi mo na-identify, mahihirapan ka i-solve on your own. And as a disciple, minsan hindi ako nagiging conscious kasi kung paano ko i-approach yung sarili. Yung personal approach na binibigay ng pastor and yung mga ka-fellowship mo, yung transparency nila and willingness to learn from each other, yung way important na nangyari kay Matthew na in-treasure ko ulit sa akin. Hindi lang sa pag-uwi ko, kundi pagbalik ko sa mga ministries na
This is my first time. Ito po ay napapanahon na mga pastors and church leaders makadalo sa ganitong klaseng training. At kaya encourage po ang ibang mga kapastoran, mga kamanggagawa ay dumalo pag may ganitong pagkakataon. Kaya dito po sa Zambales, ako po at ang aking kasama sa church nagpapasalamat na ito po ay malaking bagay upang sa gayon ma-discover natin ano po yung mga bagay na dapat na matutunan at ma-apply natin upang sa gayon mas maging kagamit-gamit po tayong mga manggagawa ng Diyos. Pastor, salamat po sa iyo at sa inyong team. Pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoong Kristo.
Ayan, so personally po, I really enjoyed yung workshop, yan yung seminar kasi as someone who really engaging po, nag-engage sa mga students is very important. Why? Kasi we help them process their emotions. We resurface those wounds na kailangan nilang i-resurface and it helps them become more vulnerable in a way na, alam niyo yun, surrender talaga nila yung worries nila, yung mga burdens nila with the Lord. After all, kasi hindi naman talaga natin kailangan i-suppress yung emotions natin because the Lord is there. The Lord is really helping them through their healing process. And ayan, I would like to encourage each and everyone po to join yung mga ganyan yung klase ng trainings and seminars kasi again, this is very helpful. This will make you talaga grow in your faith with the Lord. Yan.